Welcome to the cybersecurity. Stay secure.
Welcome back, and we are continuing with the general skills, and we will be covering commitment issues worth of 50 points. I accidentally wrote the flag down. Good thing I deleted it. You can download the challenger. You can download the zip file from here and unzip. For example, if you have file.zip, you can unzip using this, and you will get a folder named drop in. So let's head over to this. Let's check if there are anything, and we can see there is a message.txt and .git. So there should be a git folder. So let's see if there is something in message file. It says top secret. Let us check git log. Maybe like they have stored something, made changes, as they have mentioned that they mistakenly wrote the flag. So here we can see the first commit is create flag. So we can go copy here and git checkout and the code. Now if we check, we should be in the previous build. Yes, and we have got the flag. Copy, paste, submit. And just by using basic skills of git, we were able to get the flag.
If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.